This is day 6 of posting every day about AI. Do you ever wonder why your AI automation of sending tens of thousands of emails, yet you get no replies? You spend hours writing the perfect cold email, hit send, and then nothing, just silence. It's not your fault, your emails are getting flagged as spam. New domains have no reputation, so cold list gets blocked. And if you're not warming up your email inbox, your cold emails are all going to be basically invisible. However, Constant Closer gives you your own AI sales agent and warms up their email inbox for you. We can use our network of around 30,000 emails to send, receive, and reply like a human would. This builds a positive sender reputation and gets your inbox ready to start automating. And once you're warm, Constant Closer doesn't just send 0 to 10,000 emails at a time. It ramps it up gradually, which validates your list even more and avoids bounce rates and blocks. So while other domains are getting blocked by spam, you can sit back while cold emails start to turn into warm leads. Don't let your emails be ignored and let your hard work be wasted. Let Constant Closer warm up your inbox and help you close leads. Try our email warming for free in the link down below.